Director B is prompting.
Namaste, bonjour, ciao, and hello youth family. Welcome to our How We Make It Easy segment, where we conduct a granular deconstruction of operational methodology and process implementation in simple words.
Right.
And yes?
Say it simple words.
Oh yes, Director B. Welcome to our How We Make It Easy series, where we break down the process execution in simple words.
There you go.
Here we go. As you can see here, youth group companies can transfer various tasks under different departments to WBS, and WBS successfully executes them, offering many benefits in terms of time, cost, and resources. Among different departments, today we are diving into one of the processes handled by logistics department, which is updating country of origin. This process is essential to calculate import duties correctly for custom clearance process. As we support youth entities across the world, we have team members who can execute processes in their language. In this video, we will demonstrate how we supported WIS Germany. So we will have the interface in German, but we will be explaining it in English. I have Director B here prompting me to say, we make it easy. So yes, we make it easy. So let's dive right into it in simple words. Right, Director B?
Perfect.
In this process, we update the country of origin in the Enterprise Resource Planning System. In this case, we are using SAP as our ERP system. We also work on your specific ERP system. We receive a sheet containing purchase order information from you. From the sheet, we copy purchase order number and check its status in SAP transaction ZMEE. The line opens below. We check the position and compare with sheet. Once position is confirmed, we click on the PO number. As the screen opens, we go on Import tab and open the Origin tab. The country of origin needs to be filled in this tab. Then we open attachments related to PO and refer only to order confirmation document. In this document, we compare PO number and material number with the information mentioned in the sheet. Once matched, we look for the country of origin. Here, it is mentioned as Italian, which implies as Italy. We go back to Origin tab. At the country of origin block, we select Italy from the list and update the country of origin. We save the information and the process is complete. In case the country of origin information is not mentioned in the order confirmation document, we ask suppliers through email and update based on the information received. Well, this is not the only process handled by logistics department. There are also many more processes such as creation of national shipment, creation of loading lists, adjusting Far East orders, article data registration, transport damage management, long-term supplier declarations, and many more. Please do get in touch with us with your requirements and we will be glad to help you. Bahut shukriya youth family. Thank you for watching. I hereby urge to maintain engagement for our upcoming audio-visual content as we endeavor to facilitate process. Let's make it simple. Stay tuned for more videos as we make it easy for you.